KK Emoji Keyboard. Done with your old and boring keyboard? Download KK Emoji Keyboard and experience a life full of feelings. Don't just send text, send your feelings using hundreds of emojis. Let the whole world know how happy you are with just one single tap. KK is as colorful as you. Personalize your keyboard with your favorite theme. With fast input and smart autocorrect, you'll never mistype in any situation. Convert your text in feelings with smart emoji prediction. It even predicts emoji and emotion to match your words. Head over to Play Store today and enjoy and discover the most awesome features. KK Emoji Keyboard.